Hello guys, I'm Paris Jobson and welcome back to my channel. So first of all, kind of a day where I wasn't expecting such a big pullback on the downside. What I was expecting is that we would take pullback somewhere till 41,480 to 500 and then we would go up again. But as you can see, we went all the way down till 41,330 and then we moved up. So yeah, I also ended up in loss because I had to take a little bit more loss because of the put IV expansion that we saw over here. Yeah, the put IV expansion was also a little bit higher than I had thought, and because of which I had to take a pretty good loss on Monday. So yeah, anyways, that's not a problem. Now, what can we expect for tomorrow is that simple. We've ended very good over here, right? The way we have ended over here is amazing, right? So what should happen over here is very important. Is that once we cross 41,760, right? If we open flat and cross 41,760, we can easily expect 41,950 to be our first target, 42,000 to 41,950 to be our first target, because the way we have closed 41,830 is very, very near. So I don't think the all-time high will work as a resistance because we have already taken resistance from 41,000 from the all-time high when we had reached the all-time high. Last month when we had reached the all-time high, right? So we already have taken resistance from there, and now I'm not expecting Bank Nifty to take big resistance again. What I'm expecting Bank Nifty to do is just move up from here till at least 42,000 to 41,950. If we open flat, if we open with any sort of a gap up somewhere near 41,850 to 41,900, all these levels, right? Even above that, then we can again expect something like this to happen, where we move down in the first half, or at least move down till 41,750 levels, take support over here, wait some time over here, and then start moving up from here. That is when we could see. I'm sorry. That is what we could see tomorrow if we open with a gap up. If we open with a gap down somewhere over here, somewhere 41,650 to 41,600, all these levels, then we could see some sort of a volatility over here for some time, after which we could start moving up in the second half of the day, right? But any sort of a gap down below 41,550, right? Straight up, if there's a direct gap down below 41,550, then we can expect a pretty good down move till 41,350, all these levels for tomorrow, right? Even a gap down below, say somewhere near 41,400, right? That is very, I don't think that will happen. But if that happens, even then we can expect a pretty good down move from here. So what you can do then is that as soon as we cross 41,330, then you can take a trade over here. Your first target can easily become 41,150 to 41,100 on the downside. And then what could also happen is that we could stay a few more days over here. We could spend a few more days, after which we could start breaking out again, right? Because then what will happen is that Bank Nifty will lose momentum, and then it will need to regain momentum for after staying over here for some days. As for Nifty, as you can see, same case, moved down in the first half, then moved up in the second half, right? So as for Nifty, if we open any sort of a gap down below for 18,160, we can expect a pretty good down move till 18,070 to 18,060, or even 18,100 if you want smaller targets and if you want to close your trade faster, right? But I'm expecting that we will see a gap, that we will see uh, a down move till 18,060 to 18,070 easily if we open below 18,160. On the upside, if we open, first of all, if we open flat, then as soon as we cross this, your first target can easily become 18,280 to 18,290 on the upside, right? Because then 18,300 could act as a resistance, after which we could spend some time over here, and then move from here. But yeah, on the and if you open with a gap up, again same story. I'm expecting Nifty to move down till 18,200, then spend some time over here, and then see again a recovery in the second half of the day. So yeah, guys, that was it for tomorrow. And as I said, if we open with a gap down, then we could see, if we open with a kind of a pretty big gap down, then we could see both Nifty and Bank Nifty losing momentum. And then we could stay over here for probably a week more, after which we could see momentum on the upside again. And yeah, guys, that was it for today. And yeah, thank you for watching till the end. And I'll see you tomorrow in the next video.